Zipcar Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Zipcar is a car sharing service, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a traditional rental. The surprising truth is that Zipcar is designed for short-term, on-demand access to vehicles with flexible hourly or daily rates, perfect for city living or occasional trips. Pricing includes a membership fee, typically to annually, and hourly rates starting around 2 plus mileage. Daily rates are usually 2, inclusive of gas and insurance. You won't believe what's included: fuel, insurance, maintenance and roadside assistance, making it a true all-in-one mobility solution. Most people get this wrong by comparing only hourly rates without factoring in convenience, fuel, insurance and parking benefits, which make Zipcar competitive for short-term usage. In conclusion, Zipcar pricing reflects flexibility, convenience and a worry-free driving experience. By understanding membership fees, hourly and daily rates, and included services, you go from zero to pro in deciding if Zipcar is the right solution for your transportation needs without the burden of owning a car.